channel. So here today we are not going to make the continuation of the previous video. We are going to make some simple Python code only, which is how to visualize your data in Python in just 2 lines of code. And here which is it is not having no long scripts or no messy setup is there. So the step 1 is we are loading the data. So before loading the data, we are using the Seaborn library and we are importing SNS, and by using SNS we are loading the tips dataset. So this is a classic tips dataset from Seaborn, which is having some information about bills, tips and customers. And now we are going to visualize this tips dataset in 2 lines. First, for that we are using a bar graph or histogram plot only. For that, we are using import matplotlib dot pyplot as plot. So this plot we'll use to make the histogram plot or the bar chart. So by this, within just 2 lines, we can see the distribution of the total bills which is in the data set. Since in the second line we are making df of total bill, so total bill is a column in the data set, and this we are seeing in the data set, and in just 2 lines. And next, the another thing, we are also making use of the scatter plot. This scatter plot also we are making use in only 2 lines. In this also we are going to call this total bill only, and why we are giving tip and data is df. So here instantly we see big bills usually, which is going to represent bigger tips. So this is the visualization, simple visualization code. So if you are interested in making us to work with some other visualization code, means please let us know in the comment box. We'll definitely work with that code. And in the next video we'll work with some other simple Python codes. Thank you.